When you know kitties are hungry. I guess no cats want food. There you go, yeah.
Sucks. I
Apparently you find this at night. That's look at me. Look at. Meanwhile,
it lives on the roof. Can they run in the roof? Hey. Okay.
oh, here.
Oh, yeah.
This is the end of the episode. Bye. This is where we're gonna end it off.
Get the light in, like that.